Hello, this is Aydan Gurbanova, and today I will talk about the division of polynomials. So firstly, I will start by introducing long division, and then I'll talk about the synthetic division of polynomials. I prepared an example, an exercise. So we have to divide this polynomial by x plus 3. For this one, we're going to write the divisor here. Firstly, we're going to do like this. And I will write the divisor in this part, x plus 3. And the dividend, the polynomial itself, is going to be here, 2x plus x to the power of 3. And then, as you can see, we don't have anything with the x to the power of 2. We only have x to the power of 3, x, and nothing. So, but for the division, we have to write something with the x to the power of 2. Because there's nothing here, we're going to write it with the coefficient of 0. So we will write plus 0x to the power of 2. Next, we write as it is, minus 5x plus 14. So it's going to look like this. And you're going to ask me where are we going to write the quotient, what we get, our answer. We're going to write it here, on top of this line. So, how do we divide this polynomial by this? Firstly, we're going to have to multiply x by some number to get 2x to the power of 3. And then I will explain why we have to do this. But firstly, to get 2x to the power of 3, what should we have? Should we multiply x by? We have to multiply x by 2x to the power of 2. And we're gonna write it here. So when we multiply, we get 2x to the power of 3. And then we also have to multiply it by 3 and write it here. Plus, we're gonna get, if we multiply 3 by 2x to the power of 2, we will get 6x to the power of 2. And then I'm gonna write a line like this, draw a line like this. We have to subtract this, what we got, from the original polynomial, so that they get cancelled out. So we do everything for them for the first term to get cancelled out. The second, we will get 0x to the power of 2 minus 6x to the power of 2. We will have minus 6x to the power of 2 as an answer. And then we will write the next, minus 5x. So, now we just repeat. To get minus 6x to the power of 2, we have to multiply x by minus 6x. Like this. And we will get minus 6x to the power of 2 minus 18x, because after x we're gonna multiply minus 6x by 3, so we'll get minus 18x. And we don't forget that we have to subtract. So because we are subtracting them, they get cancelled out. And here we get minus 5. I'm going to look at the coefficients. Minus 5 plus 18, we get 13x. So next we're going to, the only thing that is remained is plus 14. We're going to write it. This is the last step. And now all the same thing. To get 13x, we have to multiply x by 13, so we write plus 13 here, and we also write what we got here, and then multiply 13 by 3, we're gonna get plus 39, and subtract. And here we get, they get cancelled out, 0, and here we have 14 minus 39, we're gonna have minus 25 as an answer. That's it. So now you're gonna ask, what is this? This is our remainder. We got minus 25 as a remainder. We got 2x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 13 as a quotient. So we're gonna write the answer like this. 2x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 13. And now we're going to write the remainder. Because the remainder has negative sign, we're going to write minus before, and then we're going to write 25 on top of the fraction. And at the bottom we're going to write our denominator, x plus 3. Like this. So this is our answer. So this was long division. After I've cleared the board, I will introduce you to the synthetic division. So for the synthetic division, we will draw a line like this and like this. And first we have to make our denominator equal to 0 to get the root. So here the root will be minus 3. We'll write minus 3 here. So here we will only write the coefficients of the polynomial. So for example, the first coefficient is 2. We will write 2. And then the same with the long division. Because we don't have any x to the power of 2, but we have to write it, we will write 0 because it's the coefficient of x to the power of 2. And then the same thing, minus 5 and 14. Notice that I didn't write any sign like comma, plus, minus, nothing, just the coefficients. So now I will put 2 here, and then I will multiply 2 by minus 3 and write the answer here, not here, but here. It will be minus 6. I will write the answer under the next term, and then I will add them, not subtract like we did in long division. Here we add, so I will get minus 6 because 0 plus minus 6 is minus 6. And then I will multiply minus 6 by minus 3 and I will get 18 plus 18. So then we add minus 5 to plus 18 and we get 13. Then the next thing, multiply 13 by minus 3, we get minus 39, write it under 14, and then here after adding them, I got minus 25. And here, the last term that we got is the remainder, just like it was in long division. So you can wonder, like you're wondering what are those numbers, it's again the coefficients. So, but how do we know the coefficient of which are those numbers? So here 2 is originally the coefficient of 2x to the power of 3. So now we will go down by the power, and we will write that here 2 is coefficient of x to the power of 2. We will go down by 1. Next, minus 6 is coefficient of x, plus 13, and minus 25 is the remainder. As you can see, our quotient is this. And our remainder is this, just like here. We got the same answer. That's it. I explained the long division and the synthetic division of polynomials. Thank you, goodbye.